The graphic arts industry is undergoing revolutionary changes. More than ever before, electronics, software and data transfer have a decisive influence on the efficiency of a company. Post-print technology is also affected by the growing importance of automation. MB Folder, computer-controlled folding, a head start of 10 years. MB Folder recognized this trend at an early stage and developed ideas for automating the folding process. These ideas eventually turned into technical solutions and finally patents. The computer control of the folders nearly eliminates manual settings. Alignment rails, fold plate stops, fold roller gaps, and delivery rollers are set by simply pushing a button. All important data for repetitive jobs can be saved in the memory. When changing the fold, the plates remain in the fold unit. Automatic deflectors close fold plates that are not needed. MB Folder's invention of computer-controlled folding had far-reaching implications on the international folding machine industry. All existing solutions for the automation of the folding process are based on this idea. The wealth of experience that MB Folder has gathered worldwide has brought along new applications with even higher user benefits. This means a head start of 10 years for MB Folder. The intelligent Setmatic setting system is just an example for this innovative edge. With Setmatic, a previously unknown operator convenience has been reached. How does Setmatic work? What is being set automatically? The fold is chosen at the operator panel and the format is entered. The setting automation is activated at the push of a button, which means the alignment rail automatically moves to the calculated position. A test sheet is started as a next step. This sheet passes under the paper thickness sensor and stops before the first fold unit. Then the fold plate stops are set, and the deflectors open or close the fold plates. The gap between the fold rollers is set automatically on the basis of the measured paper thickness and the chosen type of fold. If needed, the rollers may also be set asymmetrically. As a last step, the delivery rollers move to their correct positions. Now the setting process is finished and folding can be started. Computer-controlled folding means short setup times, simple operation, minimum waste. With the Multimaster CAS, you save money and expensive skilled labor and improve your competitiveness at the same time. The following examples demonstrate how the setting process works. Single fold. In fold plate 1, the stop moves to half sheet length. The other fold plates are closed by the deflectors. Letter fold. The stop in fold plate 1 moves to 2/3 of the sheet length and the stop in fold plate 2 to 1/3. Fold plates 3 and 4, which are not needed, are closed by the deflectors. Zig-zag fold. The stops move to 1/5 of the sheet length in all 4 fold plates. No fold plate is closed by deflectors. Double parallel fold. In fold plate 1, the stop moves to half the sheet length. In fold plate 2 to a quarter. Fold plates 3 and 4 are closed. It can be so easy to set a folder. The operator panel is the control center of the machine. It's here where the settings are made. The operator always has the complete picture, since all important data can be shown on the dialog display. Operator guidance is available as a support instrument. Moreover, it's possible to switch between languages and measurements by simply pushing a button. Computer-controlled folders are available in different versions, adapted to the specific requirements of the user. For the 52 by 85 cm format, the Multimaster CAS52. For the 38 by 65 cm format, the Multimaster CAS38. There's a variety of accessories to create custom-made systems. The Mobile Knife Fold Unit MS45 rotates by 180 degrees and can be added to any buckle fold unit. The additional fold unit KF31 makes small folds down to 18 mm possible and increases the versatility by adding another 2 fold plates. The 2-up cross-fold option, gluing devices, and timed perforation heads are other important accessories. Various possibilities for recognizing reading marks are essential for applications in the pharmaceutical field and for personalized documents.